All right. So this is the invoice generator I created, or should I say, I vibe coded. So this invoice generator allows me to generate invoices for my clients. Allows me to track my invoice history, like all the invoices I've created over time. And I can also export this and restore it in another computer. And if the computer has, if I'm logged in and with Gmail on this browser, I might be able to access it also in another browser if I'm logged in there too. So these are all the things I can do with it. I can, you know, export the invoice even when I'm creating it. See, let me quickly create one. This is my name will always good. I think I should have this prefill my name, right? I just did it because of course this is open source, like I'm making it open source. Anyone should be able to use it. So my name shouldn't be there. Mails for me at gmail.com, then whatever the address is. And then my client name, client email, and the client address. Whatever I want to write, yeah, I can put it there. So the next thing is the description. So this is an article I wrote, maybe 1,000 words, 0.6 per word, and I can add more. Maybe it was another article 2, and then I did 5,000 words. 5,000 word at 0.7, technically around that. So this is it. I can create this. Okay, this one's next. Okay, nothing. Let's see. This invoice is created. Now I can export it. See, everything is there nicely. I can export it. This application is mostly on the browser. Like, it is a front-end application completely. There's no backend for this, so you can use it however you want to. So this invoice I've created, okay, this is the history. So I should be able to make changes to this. Maybe this is still in draft, so maybe the client now pays, I can go back and mark it as paid, or whatever it is. Okay, I can also export it, like back up the data and restore it as well. So that's about it. I found this very, very interesting because at some point I needed this thing and I was using this too. This wasn't giving me what I needed. It couldn't give me a history. I couldn't export previous invoices. It was a problem, and I couldn't find a tool that did what I really, really wanted at the time. Of course, for free. Yeah, this one is free as well. So I decided to vibe code it. Didn't want to waste so much time creating it from scratch. So a friend told me about HeroUI.chat. So I used this to vibe code it. This is the prompt I wrote. It's a very simple prompt. I was very surprised it gave me the result it gave me actually. So I asked for this, it generated this, and then I gave it more prompts to get something even more, to get more precise. And then what else? That was basically it. And then it generated something like fully functional. I exported it. Was it here? No, not that here. So I downloaded it and then extracted it and brought it to my GitHub. So from GitHub, I used Google Jules I use Google Jules to modify some of the functionalities. Like I asked Google Jules to add this part of it, this thing, the backup and restore. It used Dexter.js to do the backup because the database is using is IndexedDB in the browser. So yeah, so that's basically how I created this thing. There is no big deal. If you want, I can share this for you. You can create yours if you want to, but this tool is pretty cool. Yeah, and this is open source tool. You can already start using this. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing things like this, simple ways to build stuff with AI, vibe code, and all of that, whatever name it is called nowadays, and some other automations. So, by the way, go and try this out. See the link here. I'll leave the link in the description section.